18 tips to help you recognize and avoid phishing scams. Number 1. Recognize the signs of phishing. Be aware of red flags such as unfamiliar greetings, unsolicited messages, grammar and spelling errors, a sense of urgency, suspicious links or attachments, requests for personal information, inconsistencies in email addresses, and unusual requests. Number 2. Don't respond to a phishing email. Avoid sending a response to suspicious messages. By not engaging, you prevent scammers from confirming an active email address. Number 3. Report suspicious messages to your email provider. Report phishing emails promptly. If it's a work email, inform your company's IT department as well. On Gmail, click the three-dot icon next to the reply button and select Report Phishing. On Outlook, do the same by clicking the three-dot icon. Number 4. Avoid sharing personal information. Never provide sensitive data like social security numbers, account numbers, or passwords over the phone or via email unless you initiated the contact. Number 5. Use strong passwords. Create unique, complex passwords for different accounts. Consider using a password manager to keep them secure. Number 6. Keep your operating system up to date. Regularly update your operating system and software to patch security vulnerabilities. Number 7. Avoid jailbroken devices. Jailbreaking or rooting your device can expose it to security risks. Stick to official app stores. Number 8. Monitor your financial statements. Regularly review bank and credit card statements for unauthorized transactions. Number 9. Set up spam filters. Configure your spam filters in your email client to catch phishing emails. Number 10. Enable two-factor authentication. Use two-factor authentication wherever possible to add an extra layer of security. Number 11. Hover, don't click. Hover your cursor over links in emails to verify their legitimacy before clicking. Number 12. Verify the sender's identity. Be cautious if the email is from an external address. Look up the company's phone number independently and call to verify the request. Number 13. Be skeptical of urgent requests. Scammers often create a sense of urgency. Take a breath and verify before acting. Number 14. Check website addresses. Ensure links match the expected domain. Hover over them to see the actual address. Number 15. Educate yourself and others. Learn about phishing tactics and share awareness with colleagues and family. Number 16. Install antivirus software. Use reliable antivirus tools to detect and prevent phishing attacks. Number 17. Be careful of social media sharing. Limit personal information shared online, as scammers can use it for targeted attacks. Number 18. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, investigate further. It's always better to be cautious than fall for a scam. Be safe, stay secure, and remember, staying informed and vigilant is key to protecting yourself from phishing scams. See you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening.